Looking to upgrade your Toyota or Lexus audio system without the hassle? These speaker adapter spacer rings are designed specifically for select 2002 and newer models, making it easy to install 6 to 6. 75-inch aftermarket speakers with a seamless, gapless fit. No more struggling with awkward gaps or ill-fitting mounts. Just a clean, professional installation every time. I ran into a similar issue when upgrading my 2006 Camry's front door speakers. I wanted to install Rockford Fosgate T1693 6x9 speakers, but they didn't clear the window when lowered. Switching to the T2652S6 5-component system meant I needed a reliable adapter. These spacer rings fit perfectly, lining up exactly with the factory mounting holes. The heavy-duty ABS plastic held everything securely, and the only modification I made was trimming a small part meant for 6-inch speakers. No big deal. The result? A solid, gap-free install that sounded great and looked factory clean. If you're upgrading your Toyota or Lexus speakers, these adapter spacer rings are worth a look. They provide a durable, black ABS plastic solution that ensures your aftermarket speakers fit just right, preserving your car's interior integrity. Try them when you're ready to make your audio upgrades simple and secure.